Hello, hi, and namaste to you, students. So, today, grade 3, are you ready with the topic fraction? I hope you are ready over there. So, last time in previous class, we have learned so many things of fraction, right? With the help of the paper. So, now, again, we are going to learn about the fractions. In fraction, what were things we are going to learn? Let's have a look. First one is like term and unlike term. Okay, see here in this chart. So, first, have you seen this picture? Over here, this rectangle is divided into 4 parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 parts, one part is shaded, right? So, I have written here 1/4. Now, in next picture, here, this again rectangle is divided into 4 parts, right? Out of 4, 2 parts are shaded. Okay. Here one part is shaded out of 4. Here 2 part is shaded out of 4. So, but see here, down below number, are they same 4, 4 or not? Yes, both of them are same, that is 4, 4. So, we call it as a like terms because they have the same denominators. Now, can you define the like terms? Okay, like terms mean what? Let's define it. Like term mean those terms having same denominators. Denominators mean down digit. Okay, if the denominators are same, then we call it as a like terms. Okay, students? Okay, same like that way. We have next topic, that is like term come. If there is coming different down in numbers, then what we call for it? See here, okay. In next picture, that rectangle is divided into 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, one part is shaded. So, we have to write 1/3. Right? It's 1/3. Now, in next picture, the same like rectangle, it's divided into 4 parts. Out of 4, one part is shaded. So, we call it 1/4, or we can say 1/4, or it's a quarter. And have you noticed over here? It's written here down denominators. First one is 3, second one is 4. So, student, they have a different denominators. So, we call it as a unlike term. Do you understand? So, can you define the unlike terms once again? Those terms having different denominators. Denominators mean down digit. If they are different in numbers, then we call it as a unlike terms. Okay. Now, I have already said 2 things, that is what? Like terms and unlike terms. I hope you are clear about like and unlike terms. Now, student, you are going to learn something ascending order, descending order, right? Comparison of the sign also of like terms and unlike terms. Okay, first of all, let's do of like terms. After completion, we will do the unlike terms. Okay, see here, students, on the like terms, we are going to separate the numerator and denominator first of all. Okay, be ready now. All of you be ready with your notebooks. Let's separate the denominators and numerators of the terms. Okay, students, I have one questions for you. That is, how to separate the numerators and denominators from the given fraction. First of all, let's separate it. Differentiate it or separate it. Let's separate it, okay? Okay, out of 2/3 fraction, which one is the numerator and which one is the denominator? Okay, 2 is numerator and down one digit is denominator. Same like here. Out of 5 by 7, 5 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. Can we write it? Can you separate it like this way? Okay. Then, next question is for you. Now, you are going to arrange the number according to the like and unlike terms. Separate the fractions according to the like terms and unlike terms. 2 questions are there, okay? You have to solve it. Okay students, I have one questions for you. Now, I have given some of the fractions over here, right? Have you seen these fractions? Now, you need to separate this fraction according to the like fraction and unlike fraction. So, before separating the like and unlike fraction, what you have to write? You have to write first one as a like fraction. First one is like fraction. Give equals to sign and write down the fractions from given question. Okay, shall we write it? Okay. Now check the students. First digit is 1 by 4. First fraction is 1 by 4. Now check whether the denominators 4 are there or not. If there are, then we have to put in a like fraction. If there are not, then we have to put in unlike fraction. Let's find out our like fraction first of all. Here is 1 by 4 is first, and then after 3 by 4 is there. Lastly is 2 by 4. Now this one done, this one done, this one done, right? How many digits are left? Oh, 4 by 5 and 2 by 5. Still there are 2 denominators having same. So what to do? They are also like. So below we have to write again 4 by 5 and 2 by 5. They are the like fraction. And what about unlike fractions over here? Here unlike fraction is nothing. We haven't got any unlike fraction. So leave as it is. Can we do it like this way? Okay. Now student, we are going to write the numbers in ascending order. Okay. Let's write the number in ascending form. Now, students, have a look. We are going to separate the fraction according to the ascending order and descending order. Okay. So, what I have written over here, see, have a look. Ascending order mean if all the denominators are same, then we have to look for the numerators for the greater or smaller digit. Okay. So, see here 3 by 4 is smaller than the 5 by 4 and 5 by 4 is again smaller than the 6 by 4. So, this upper part 3, 5, 6, if the down part is not over there, then we used to write the, in ascending order we used to write 3, 5, 6, right? Same like that one. If the fractions denominator are the same, so you have to do same like previous classes. So, see 3 by 4 is smaller than the 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is again smaller than the 6 by 4. Same like this one ascending order. We have to see the questions over here. See, we need to arrange these fractions according to the ascending order. Now check, students, which digit, which fraction will come at first. Okay, tell me which fraction will come at first. Yes, 2 by 7. Then after, all the denominators are same or not? Check it out. Yes, all the denominators are same. So you have to check out the upper part digit, that is numerators. You need to check out the numerators, okay? Now 2 by 7. After that, which number we have to write? 2, then after 3 by 7, then after 4 by 7 and 6 by 7. Do you understand? Okay, student. Then after, same like here, ascending order. Let's have a look over here, descending order. In descending order, decreasing way, right? It's a decreasing order. So first one is, if they have the same denominators, then have a look upper part of the numerators. That is 11 by 13, 9 by 13, 4 by 13. So see, 11 is greater, 9 is a bit smaller, then after 4 is more smaller than 8. So you can write here in descending order. So can we make it descending order with the same question? First, which we'll write? 6 by 7. Then after 4 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7. Do you understand? So can we write it like this way? Of course, you can write in ascending and descending order. Okay? Now we are going to make a next question. So let's have a next question. Okay, now students, we are going to compare the terms. So ready to compare the sign for the like fractions? Are you ready? Okay. Okay, students, now have a look on the comparison of term with the sign. What are the sign are there? Greater than, smaller than and equals to sign. Have you remembered the previous class or not? We have done so many exercises on it, right, students? I hope you are also doing at your home. Okay, students, see here now, while doing comparison of term, how to compare the sign. So first one is here. I have written here 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Have you looked over here why I keep the greater sign over here? Okay, students, now you have to know it first. We are doing of like terms only right now, right? We are learning about like terms only. So have a look on the denominators over here. Are they same or not? Of course, they are same. So we need to look up upper part of the digits, that is numerators. Upper part. Numerators are greater or smaller. Let's have a look. While if over here, let's have a look. 4 is greater than 2 or 2 is greater than 4. Obviously, 4 is greater than 2, so we used to put this sign, right? If I need to put the sign over here, then which sign I used to put? 5 and 5. Are they equal? Obviously, they are equal. So, we are not allowed to put this sign if they are in the fraction. So, let's put this sign over here. Do you understand? The same way, the same process we are going to do. Previously, we are doing in the separate form of the number and now we are doing in the fraction form. Okay. So, see here, 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Same like that, you have to compare over here. Can you compare? Which one is greater? 1 by 5 is greater or 2 by 5 is greater? Tell me, students. 5 and 5, they are the equal. Then you have to see 1 is greater or 2 is greater. Obviously 2 is greater, right? So put the greater sign towards the 2. Yes? Okay, students. Now tell me the answers of this one. 3 by 7 is greater or 2 by 7 is greater? 7 and 7, they are equal. 3 is greater or 2 is greater? Tell me. 3 is greater, so put this sign, greater sign, towards 3. Now, over here, 3 is greater or 4 is greater? Tell me. 4 is greater than 3. So, we have to put the sign towards 4. Now, if the question is like this way, 2 by 5 is greater or 2 by 5 is greater? Which one is greater? They are equal. So, put the equal sign over here. Can we do it like this way? Obviously, right, students? We need to do it like this way. Can you compare the sign? Okay. You have to compare the sign according to the numerators, only in like terms. Okay. You can easily identify the greater sign, small sign or equal to sign only in like terms. And for the unlike terms, there is a bit different process to show the sign. Okay. Now students, if you want to add the sum, their number, then how you will add it? Can you say me how to do? How to do additions of this number? Let's have a look how to add the like fraction and unlike fractions. So first of all, we are going to add like terms and then subtract also. Okay, one questions for you or two question. Let's do. First is add it. Please write down. First question is, if I want to add 1 by 5 and 2 by 5, then what shall I do? Then, first of all, please, out of two denominators, right? If here is 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, let's have a look. Students, let's add the numbers from the same pictures. Okay, here is 1 by 4 and here is 2 by 4. Now we are going to add that. Okay, so they have the same denominators, right? Here also they have the same denominators. That means, first of all, you are having one part of a pizza, then second part of a pizza, 2 parts out of 4 parts of your pizza. Then how many parts is left over there? Total parts eaten and how many parts remain over there? You have to count it. Altogether, I have it 2 parts, right? Okay, now same here, you have to go on writing. First of all, 1 part eaten and then again 2 parts eaten. Then altogether, how many parts I have eaten out of 4? 3 parts. Now, how many is left over there? 1 parts, right? So, let's do the same way. See, out of 4, this means both are same. So, out of 4, write down only one single. Out of 4, 1 is eaten before and 2 after, right? 2 plus 1, it will be 3. Total number of pizza I have took is 3 out of 4. That's the addition, right? Okay. If you want to take, okay, next question also for you, okay. If the question come, then how you will solve this one? 1 by 5, when it added with 2 by 5, then what will be the answer? Can you say me first? Okay, first write down the denominator same over here. 1 plus 2, it will be 3 by 5. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts is said it. You can say it. Okay. Okay, now then how to subtract it? So can we subtract it? One question is for you, okay, for subtraction. Okay, for subtraction also same thing. Let's do. Let's put the denominator single over here. Right, like this way. Single denominator out of 4 you have to write, and be previous you have taken 3 and later on 1. So if it is subtracted 3 minus 1, then what will be the answer? It's 2 by 4. Okay. So grade 3 you can write up to here. If you know, then you can, if they are the same digit, if they are the multiples also, then you can divide it. Just like if with the same number, that is 1 by 2, or you can do up to here only. You can write up to 2 by 4 also. If you know to divide it also, you can divide it, because they are the same term, multiples of 2, so you can do it. Students, now I hope you understand the like terms, right? Fraction of like terms. Short review of class. Okay, first what we have learned, definition of like and unlike terms. Then after, how to arrange the number according to the like terms and unlike terms. Then after, how to write the like fraction in ascending order, descending order, comparison, and then after how to add and how to subtract. Right, students? I hope you understand this one very well. Next day with unlike fractions, I will be here with the same topic. Till that time, go on practicing on the like fractions. Okay, so thank you for watching today.